Prime Produce intends to set up another manufacturing facility. But to make the plant operational, it would need to acquire the land, and for that, it may need to pay a few costs like the cost of land, transfer fee, crop compensation, taxes, and other legal fees. All of the above costs are necessary to get the land ready for the plant. So the land will be measured initially at cost of acquisition, that is, the sum of all of the above costs, and capitalized under land in non-current assets. Now the company intends to procure the plant from abroad. So consider all the costs to bring the plant in a running state, like the cost of equipment, shipping charges, custom duties and cess, site preparation, commissioning of the plant, testing costs. All of the above costs will be capitalized under property, plant, equipment, again in non-current assets. Both land and plant are physical assets, and in accounting terminology are called tangible assets. But some of the assets are intangible, that is, they don't have a physical form. For example, production rights, licenses, softwares. Both tangible and intangible assets will be recorded at initial cost of acquisition. And for that, you need to remember two rules. It's probable that the future economic benefits will flow to the organization. What I mean by that is, for example, the organization will use the plant to manufacture products which will be sold in the market to earn profits on them. Secondly, costs can be measured reliably. Since all of the above transactions include currency value to it can be measured reliably. Subsequently, the company may incur some additional outflow on the plant like enhancements or repair and maintenance. So whether that should be capitalized. The rule is it can only be capitalized if it improves the asset. For example, the capex increases the installed capacity from 100 units per day to 150 units per day, or it is a replacement part. For example, the plant is expected to operate for 10 years, whereas a moving part is to be replaced every 3 years. So the cost of the moving part will be capitalized for the next 3 years.